Hello, it's Susan, your English teacher here at Booked Up English. Like, subscribe, or follow to get all the latest lessons. Today's lesson is a vocabulary lesson. I am continuing with words from the theme at school. Click the link below to see other words in this unit. Let's go. Chair, chair, chair. This is a chair. What's this? This is a chair. Pen, pen, pen. This is a pen. What's this? This is a pen. Glue stick, glue stick, glue stick. This is a glue stick. What's this? This is a glue stick. Thanks for learning today. Send me a message if you would like to discuss how I can help your child achieve proficiency in English. See you soon.